Hi my loves, welcome. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today's session is a dialogue about being connected to spirit and remembering who you are as a spirit. The universe will provide, just ask loudly. To me that means having a conversation with your spirit guides. To me that means being connected to your ancestors. To me that means having a conversation with God, Goddess, whatever deities resonate for you. The spirit realm, spirit guidance. The team that has your back and your front and your top and your bottom and your insides out and your back to front and your hot discombobulated mess. The universe has your back. Once upon a time I felt like the universe was this giant magnet drawing me forward and this huge hand gently guiding from behind. So it was this guidance system drawing me forward with trust. Hi pup, what do you want? The universe has your back. Don't forget to ask for help. Especially if you're in a mire or you're tangled and you're confused and you can't see the way through, that's the time to ask for help. So if anything, take this message as an inspiration and a motivation to ask for help. Whether it's from a friend, community, family, the universe. Help comes in so many different ways when you ask for it, when you least expect it. And I know as a mother, sometimes it's difficult to ask for help. And I know if you're proud and you're used to doing everything on your own, it's difficult to ask for help. But everybody needs help at some point. So if you're struggling with mental illness or addictions or overwhelm or grief or rage or loss or sickness or homelessness, whatever you're struggling with, whatever you're confronting right now in your life, it's okay to ask the universe for help. And this means praying, this means journaling, this means meditating, this means being in ceremony, this means whatever it means for you, journeying. There are so many ways to connect into the spirit realm. And some people are scared of the spirit realm. Some people are afraid to be connected to the spirit realm. But I would say that once you open up and you receive messages that are of the highest good and are life affirmative, then you know that these are the messages you should be listening to. And some people are afraid to open up to spirit guidance because what if there's bad spirits? And if the messages that you're receiving, if the inspiration and the instruction that you're receiving are positive and life affirmative, then they're endorsing your life. If they're destructive, negative, self-depreciating, note them, don't be engaged by them, witness them and let them go. Because the universe wants you to win. The universe wants you to thrive. The universe wants you to be on the path of your highest destiny. The universe wants you to be in alignment with synchronicity and magic and wonder and awe. And stepping into your highest purpose, stepping into your highest soul mission is going to involve all of your talents and skills and experience and abilities, your education, your passion in your heart. That combination is going to lead you on a path. If you follow that path, and you'll be pleasantly surprised where it takes you and the lessons that you'll learn along the way. Some harder than others, some more painful than others. But every challenge, every painful experience is a lesson that your soul came here to learn in the great mystery school, the great mystery school of life. We were all students. We all came here to remember. We all came here to remember who we are. So beautiful, earth angels. Remember who you are.